Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ali and in this video I'll show you how to autofill series of dates to save your time and enhance productivity. Before I start the video, kindly requesting all of you to subscribe our channel. So to create a series of dates, we need to have a date where the series should start. Let's say we have here 1st of Jan 2025. We'll select the cell, click here and go to series. Then from here we'll select columns as we need to run the series in columns. Then the type will be date and date unit will be day as we want the date series to run for all the days. If you need to run the series for working days only, you may select the weekday, which will exclude weekend days. So I'll stick with the day. Next, the stop value will enter the date where we want the series to stop or end. Let's say I enter 10th of Jan 2025. So we'll get the series of dates till 10th of Jan. And here we go. See how simple and cool it is. So this way you can create series of dates easily without spending much time. I hope you will like the video. See you in next one. Allah Hafiz.